exposed by Coffeezilla when? I don't know, man. I even reached out to Coffeezilla. I was like, hey, man, come on and stream and talk about this stuff. But he's kind of busy. It's funny, too, because people have always gone out and going after, like, Furu or Guru leaks and all that. It's like, expose the stock guy, expose the stock guy. And I always laugh because one of the #1 people that help Furu leaks and Guru leaks expose people that are frauds is actually in here and watches every day. So like if I were to ever even come close to frauding or faking or scamming or paper trading or doing anything like that, I'd be the first one to fucking get exposed. How to spot a trading course scam. #1, they never trade live. If they were so goddamn good, they'd be trading live because they want you to see it live. Why wouldn't they trade live? Why wouldn't they show people live what they're doing, right? If anything, that's going to bring more people in. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. That's the best marketing in the world you could do. I mean, we don't see your screen when you trade. First off, I'm not selling a trading course, so it doesn't matter. I'm trading for myself. And second of all, you literally watch every entry and every exit, right? If you want me to show you my portfolio and all my personal information while I'm doing it, that's a whole nother story. I'm not going to show you all my personal shit. I don't like the idea of showing you how much too, because a lot of people in here don't care how well I trade. They only come in here and be like, show me. And it's not because they want to see the entry and exit, because they see the entry and exit when I trade live. They want to see how much money I have in it. That's what their complaint is. They want to notice how much capital I'm putting up. That's what they want. And then I show them and then they shut up. But I'm not selling anything. Remember, how to spot a trading course scam. They never trade live. You don't see them say, oh, here's where I'm entering, here's where I'm exiting live. Right? Doesn't matter. You guys, the people in here who get mad that I only show you my entries and exits and not the dollar amount is because you want to see how much capital I have, how much I'm risking. That's what you care about. But I'm not, listen, I'm trading for myself, so eat it. #1, they never trade live. #2, they post after the fact. A lot of times they get called out because what they'll do is they'll say, oh, I entered at 0.65 and I exited at 0.81, but the highest the option got that day was like 0.7. They get exposed sometimes. #3, post pictures of purchases in life. That's a marketing tool. What they do is they go out and rent things or take pictures in front of things and then post it saying, look at what I've been able to buy with all the money I've made. You're posting to people a picture of your fucking watch on a Lamborghini wheel, or you in front of a fucking jet that you're renting for the day to take pictures or something. Like, why are you constantly posting that? Like, aren't you here to try to teach people to be smart and be better? Like no, you're trying to market yourself. Very simple. #4, post screenshots of massive daily gains. And that's how you spot your paper traders. For those of you guys, the original thing I posted about this was what's wrong with paper trading. Nothing's wrong with paper trading. It's great. It's a great way to learn. It's a great way to practice. But if you're selling a course off of your success, and if you were paper trading live, then I'd be like, okay, you're able to do something really well. You just don't have the capital to do it. It'd be like, hey, listen, man, I'm coaching a little league baseball team and they're winning the World Series. Maybe you're not, at the pro level yet. It takes a while to get there, but you can show your ability. No, what they do is they take 4 paper positions. They take 4 positions on paper trading, and they'll take, $10,000 in paper money, and they'll buy 1 day to expiration and SPY call and put, right? And then a 1 or 0 day to expiration Tesla call and put at $10,000 paper money either way. Tesla has a flat day. They lose all the money here. SPY drops 1%. And all of a sudden, their $10,000 is now at $22,000. And so what do? They take a screenshot of this, post it on their Twitter and say, took SPY call. Remember all these things too? Didn't do it live, didn't do whatever. $22,000 profit on SPY expiring puts. God has blessed me. For everybody else who took that play, congrats. But who took it? But you don't know who took it. You believe someone did. And you see this big profit. You're thinking, oh my God, every single day, later in the day, they're posting some crazy gain and whatever. But it's a paper trade. They didn't lose any real money. They just post this and you don't know the difference. So you're thinking whatever. You're thinking that they're just fucking getting these option trades where every single day they have a call one day and a put the next day and they're $20,000, $30,000 and it's every day. But they lost, 20 times that in their paper trading account, but they post this. These are the top 4 ways to see this. And #5, my favorite, if they are constantly running discount specials on their course or their Discord, how do you know that this is a scam? Because if you're so successful and so good at it that you are worth a $100 or $300 a month trading course, and the demand is so much there, why do you have to give a discount to bring in more people? And on top of that, you're spending so much time promoting your $100 a month Discord or course when you're so good at trading, your ROI in the hour would be so much higher than spending all your time trying to sell a 50% off course. So I could go on Twitter right now and go on any of these guys' things, and they hit all 5 of these. And I'm not sitting here saying, well, Stocky, you just posted everything that you don't do, and now you're saying anybody who does what you does what you don't do is automatically a scammer. No, I just don't do these things because I'm not selling you a course, and I'm not lying to you, and I'm not faking shit, and I'm not trying to fucking prove anything to you. I do my shit live. You see it live. I look like a fucking homeless, recovering fucking crackhead. I don't even show you the screenshots of my gains unless you ask, or unless we're in the middle of a play. I've never once posted my gains on Twitter, and I don't have anything to sell you at a discount. And to the one guy out there who's going to be like, but you have a morning call. Yes, I read the fucking news to you. Literally anything you could do on your own. It's just you want to save 2 hours a day or an hour a day going through the news for 75 cents. Fuck it. I'm charging you for you to be lazy. That's it. Now, granted, I'm a little bit salty because some of these guys are making $100,000 a month, and that pisses me off. But at the deep down, I'm like, it's better to be better. I'm not calling anybody out by name because I don't follow any of these guys, but it's always the MO, the same way every single time. And I'm like, and I don't say anything on Twitter. I'm not like calling them out because Guru Leaks does that and other people do that. It's not my job to do that. But it's just like, guys, there's no secret formula to this. No one's fucking $200 a month course is going to make you a goddamn rich. It's like Herbalife. Let's go ahead and look at the earnings channel. All right, so starting today, guys, we got FRC after hours. That was our main play today. We kicked it out of the park today with that. Whirlpool, which was a surprise winner last time. Tomorrow, Verizon, UPS, Halliburton, GM, McDonald's, GE, which is at an all-time high, 3M, Pepsi, Spotify, and RTX. RTX got hit with a rare downgrade. Then tomorrow is when it starts getting real. Microsoft, Google, Enphase, Visa, Chipotle, Texas Instrument, Boyd, Stride after hours tomorrow. Wednesday morning, Boeing, Humana, Hilton, Hess, Tech, ADP, Thermo Fisher, General Dynamics, Boston Scientific. Then there we go on Wednesday, Meta and Roku, ServiceNow, Teladoc, United Rentals, Anally. Thursday morning, American Airlines, Caterpillar, which is interesting because Caterpillar's been on the way down for a while now. Might be a sleeper. Lilly, Eli Lilly, Valerio, Southwest, MasterCard, Crocs, which has never missed an earnings. MO, AbbVie, Merck. After close, we've got on Thursday, Amazon, Intel, Snap, Cloudflare, FSLR, X, which is U.S. Steel, Pinterest, Principal, Gilead, Amgen, and then Friday morning, we've got some oil out there as well. We got a big earnings week, guys. Big earnings week. What are you most excited about? Most excited? None. I'm scared to death on all of them. I'm most interested in Intel because that's a long-term play for me. Alphabet, I'm kind of whatever, short-term. I think Microsoft is the most important earnings for me this week. I think this is the most important of all of them for me. Amazon is shit. Everybody knows it's on the way down right now. I'm in Shopify. I took Shopify instead of Amazon beginning of the year, and I'm very happy with that. It's made me bank while Amazon's been falling. Intel, long-term play, but I'm already up 20% on it, which is scary because it wasn't supposed to go up that much. Roku, obviously, a lot of people are looking at it as a sleeper play. It's been a big winner this morning. It was. Meta, obviously, I think Meta falls because I think advertising is down, and I think that the run that Meta's had is a bit shit right now, and I think that the belief that TikTok is going to get banned and Meta's going to win from that has been falling. Although if Zuckerberg does go out and say year of efficiency 35 times like he did last time, maybe people will buy that shit up. But I think that's probably a downside play. Hilton feels like it's a little overbought right now, especially with prices starting to come down and inflation and spending, consumer confidence dipping a bit. Google, no idea. It's all going to come down to ad revenue right now. I think, but for me, Microsoft is the most important. I think Microsoft is the most important one of this entire week right now, just because they're not as reliant on e-commerce and consumer spending as Amazon is. They don't have the same type of wishy-washy shit with Boeing right now, with them shutting down their 737 MAX, but also getting orders. Meta is more on the ad revenue right now, I think Meta, we're gonna find out more about how much companies are still spending on marketing right now. Election season's coming up though, so that could be big. Like I said, Google's ads as well, but I think Microsoft with between ChatGPT, how much money they've spent. I'm actually fearful that Microsoft might fall, but just on the quarterly. But between that, Azure, how much their cloud growth has gone, any updates on Jedi, there's a lot going on there.